Turn on power. Press this button to turn on the chiller. The chiller is now turned on. Set to English mode. The power of the laser can be adjusted to its size. 800. The scanning width of the laser can be changed to 3 mm per 4 mm, according to the size of the weld seam. You can also input 2.5. Scanning speed is 300/500. 500 is also possible. When selecting 500, scanning with a galvanometer is faster. According to the variation of wire feeding thickness, 80 can be input. This is the welding process. Fish scale welding/spot welding, cleaning and scanning. Multiple functions to choose from freely. This is a fixed parameter of the process. Parameters of different specifications can be saved. This is the power size of the laser. This is adjusting the left and right deviation of the laser. It can also be changed to Chinese mode. The temperature of the chiller can operate normally at around 25 degrees Celsius.